Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials: a China-compatible phone number and the China Region Mobile Legends APK. Once downloaded, open the app and choose Register instead of Login. You will enter an email and the China phone number for verification. Make sure the SMS code arrives and is entered immediately. You should also enable installation from unknown sources if using an APK. After the code is accepted, set a secure password and a display name. This starts your China account and links it to that phone number. Once the account is initialized, complete required verification flows. You enter the SMS code and immediately bind an email for account recovery. This prevents lockouts. Next, the app often asks for real name verification. Upload your passport or Chinese ID where requested and fill in names exactly as shown. Then link a third-party login like WeChat or QQ if available. This streamlines future access. Make sure all entered details match your documents to avoid verification failure. You finish by logging into the game and verifying your profile, claiming any China-only starter rewards. If you encounter errors, first clear the app cache and restart. Then try reinstallation or rebind your email and third-party account to reset credentials. If real name verification is rejected, review the document photo for clarity and exact spelling, then resubmit. As a last resort, contact customer support with clear ID photos and timestamps. Explain the steps you followed so they can resolve account or verification issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.